If you're having trouble logging into Instagram, there are several possible reasons such as incorrect login details, server problems, or app issues. Here is a clear step-by-step guide to help you fix the problem. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, you can check your username and password first. Make sure that your username and password are correct when you log in into your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset it when you are trying to log in. Sometimes, the issue may be due to the Instagram server being down. You can visit the websites like Down Detector to see if others are having similar problems. And you can also check Instagram's official social media accounts for any updates on server outages. Then ensure that you have the latest version of the app. For that, open Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Instagram application, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest version and try logging in again. You can also try clearing the cache. For that, open your system settings, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, search for Instagram application, go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. Then restart the Instagram application and try logging in again. Besides that, you can also try a different network or restart your device. If your network is unstable, switch it to a different Wi-Fi network or use a mobile data. Alternatively, you can also try restarting your device to refresh the connection and the app. And if the app is corrupted, simply tap and hold the application and then click on Uninstall. Then go to Google Play Store or App Store to reinstall Instagram and try logging in again. If there has been suspicious activity on your account, Instagram might temporarily block your login. You may see a message like your account has been temporarily locked. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity, such as confirming your email address or phone number associated with your account. And if you're using a VPN or proxy, it might also cause login errors. Disable the VPN or proxy and then try to log in again, as Instagram may block logins from certain regions or VPNs. And if the app isn't working, you can go ahead and try logging in through a web browser. Go to Instagram.com, click on Login, and then enter your username or email address in the first field, followed by the password, or you can directly log in using your Facebook as well. Moreover, you can contact the Instagram support. Go to Instagram, go to Settings, scroll all the way down, and then click on Help in the More Info and Support section. Then tap on Report a Problem, and here you can describe your issue in detail. You can also attach any screenshots if you like, and if the Instagram suspects unauthorized access, it may ask you to verify your account. You might need to confirm your email or phone number via a code sent to you, and then follow the on-screen instructions to verify and regain access. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to resolve your Instagram login issue. If the problem continues, it may be a server-side issue or account-specific restriction that Instagram support can help with. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.